We're going to do an experiment to show the difference between saltwater and freshwater. On the left we have red saltwater, and on the right we have some green water that is freshwater. So the one on the left we just put salt and water together, and they just added some coloring to it, and then on the right we did the same thing, but we just didn't add any salt to it. So what I'm doing is I'm filling up a syringe here. Use a turkey baster, whatever you have. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to slowly put the green fresh water into the salt water. Key to this is doing it very, very slowly. If you do a little bit too fast, it won't work as well. Hopefully what you're seeing is the green is floating on the top of the red. So the fresh water, it's mixing a little bit, but most of the green fresh water is floating on the top of the salt water. Put a little bit more in here. Okay, so what we got is red salt water on the bottom, and we have some green fresh water floating on the top. Now we're going to do the opposite. We had put the fresh water on top of the salt water. Now I'm going to let that sit. I'm going to put some salt water. I've got some more salt water over here. I'm going to put salt water on top of the fresh water. All right, let's try this now. Doing the same exact thing, but we're going to do it putting salt water in with fresh water. And let's see what we get. Not seeing any distinct layers, are we? Not seeing any distinct layers. So what we're seeing is actually a complete mixture between the salt water and the fresh water. But